Top 10 car insurance companies. 10 largest auto insurance companies December 2021. The US car insurance market is dominated by a few key players with a 10 largest company controlling approximately 75 of the market. Will in the largest market biggest company underwrite a large number of policy. They vary on price, service quality, and many other characteristics. To help you choose the best insurance companies for you, we created a list of the 10 largest auto insurance companies in the US and discussed what makes each from them unique. Bigger auto insurance companies, largest car insurance by state, top mutual insurance companies. What are the largest auto insurance companies? State Farm is the number of the one insurance company is the country in term of market share and premium return, following by GEICO, Progressive and Allstate. When looking at the ranking of the top auto insurance companies in the best unique state, most of the names are recognizable due to their national television advertising campaigns. Largest auto insurance companies: State Farm, GEICO, Progressive, Allstate, US Farmers, Liberty Mutual, Nationwide, American Family, Travelers. $4.9. Premium returns in billion. Market share data was compiled using the SP Global Market Intelligence platform. Find the cheapest insurance rates in your area. तो दोस्तों यहाँ से आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं अपने एरिया की जो चीपेस्ट इंश्योरेंस है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने एज वगैरह लिख के सब कुछ फॉर्म फिल करके सेटलमेंट करके सब लिखना। Yet the ten largest insurance companies in the US listed below offer different insurance rate customers claim, experience and features for shoppers looking for cheap rates. We always recommend comparing quotes from multiple insurers to find best price. Rank number 1 ranking State Farm $14.4. Second number GEICO company. Okay, GEICO company is very best company $33.9. Progressive. Third number Progressive. Fourth number Allstate. Fifth number USA. Sixth number Farmers. Seventh number Liberty Mutual. Okay. Eighth number Nationwide. Nine number American Family. Last number Travelers. For State Farm. State Farm is very best company. Average annual premium 1310, market share 60%, premium return 14.4 MBN, value in rating. State Farm is largest auto insurance company is the US owns 60% of total available market share, over 50% dollars spent of private passenger auto premium in the country go to State Farm. The company currently employs approximately 16,000 employees and has nearly 19,000 agents. State Farm operates as mutual insurance company, meaning that its policyholder own it. Among the largest widely available car insurance in the list, State Farm offered the cheapest car insurance rate in most of the US. Learn more. Cheapest car insurance company. Second number GEICO. GEICO company is very best company. GEICO knows for its advertising feature and animated GEICO has server underwritten to more 16 million auto policies which insure more than 24 million bicycle. The company size allow it to employ more than 14,000 people across. Okay, second number GEICO. Third number Progressive. Progressive company US company topper. Fourth number, Allstate. Get accurate. Allstate typical has better than average claim satisfaction rating but a higher rate. However, the insurance offer a variety of discount that can make policies more affordable for customer. 5 number, USA. Okay. USAA is a one of the best auto insurance in the country. You will enjoy extremely competitive rate, great customer service, and speedy claim responses from USAA. The only downside, restrict membership. Please like video, share video.